Good morning, everyone. Did you sleep well last night? As promised, today I'm sharing the process of making the bedding sets for my daughters. Using this, you can calculate the fabric needed for your own mattress. We normally wouldn't have the big size fabric for bed sheets, so we need to cut two and sew them together using French seam. After finishing the French seam to lock the raw edge inside, let's do the final stitching line to keep the seam flat. By the way, what is your favorite color? I just simply love this shade of blue so much. When I'm doing this, I just feel like I'm laying still in the ocean with my face up watching the sky. Now that we have one big whole fabric, we need to cut out a square from each of the four corners. Pin the cut edges in place. And here I'm using the French seam again for the four corners. I needed around 6 meters of the elastic band for my daughter's bed. We just need to gently pull the elastic to create the stretching for the fitted sheet. We are almost there. We just need to double fold the edge of the sheet, run it through the machine, and then you have it, the perfect fitted sheets for the bed. Look how cute our special guest is. So glad he's comfortable being around us. I truly hope you have enjoyed watching the video. For me, just picturing my little angels' faces sleeping in the bed has brought me so much joy. I'll see you again in the next video where I share the process of making sweet ruffle pillowcase. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day.